It's my honour to welcome you to Bennelong for the 2025 delicious Harvey Norman Produce Awards and a milestone occasion that proudly marks 20 years of these prestigious awards.
Our deepest thanks go to our presenting partner, Harvey Norman. These awards would simply not be possible without you and your belief in what they mean. Our heartfelt thank you for your partnership, your vision, and for sharing our conviction in the importance of celebrating Australian produce.
If it wasn't for producers and their incredible produce, we would have nothing. Produce is at the heart of everything we do as restaurateurs.
One thing I love about the awards, sitting down and hanging out with people that are passionate about the produce.
The 2025 delicious Harvey Norman Producer of the Year is the Dairyman Barossa.
Chose a pathway for farmers to move from getting low-value returns in difficult conditions to producing food. Because most farmers in Australia don't produce food, they produce commodities. That pathway is really difficult. It is really worthy that it's recognised. So in that respect, the Delicious Awards is terribly important. Thank you very much.